Perfect. Hi everybody, thank you so much. This is Sharat Keshava. I'm one of the co-founders of Sanas. Sanas, as you know, is a speech AI company. We do real-time speech-to-speech synthesis. Today, about 30,000 agents across the world, mostly in India and the Philippines, use Sanas today. The origin story of Sanas is very interesting as what we do. Sanas was started by me, Max and Sean. I met Max and Sean in Stanford. And the big use case for us is I've been building speech AI companies for the last 7 years now. In my previous company, we used to help agents what to say on the call. And one of the biggest feedback I was getting from people is, hey, you're now telling us what to say. Can you also teach them how to say it? Right? Because that was a big factor, right? Because today, most of the enterprises outsource their CX work to agents across the world. There are about 16 million agents who support just North American customers, and they're based in multiple countries, like India, Philippines, and Latin America are the three largest markets. Though accent is a very interesting problem to talk about, right? Because there are about 2 billion people in the world who speak English, and apart from the 300 million people here, everybody else is an accent, right? And even interestingly, what is accent for somebody in the US is a very different accent for somebody in Europe, right? And very different for somebody in Asia, right? And what we thought of Sanas was that Sanas could be one of the biggest unifier, where now you have people from all across the world talking in a language where we can understand each other a lot more better, so that there is no bias, there is no any kind of discrimination that comes around. And the uniqueness of Sanas is also the way that we've actually built Sanas. We've built Sanas to be a very simple one-click install kind of a product. It is installed on an agent's desktop. It's not cloud, so any enterprise does not have to worry about, hey, is my data on the cloud? Are you processing my content? Because every enterprise today is worried about data on the cloud, all the security risk it provides. So this is a very stateless product. All it does in real time does speech-to-speech synthesis by breaking down speech into sounds called phonetics. So for us, Sharat is not a word, it's a collection of phonetic sounds, and all the product does in real time is it breaks down phonetic sounds in an accent like an Indian or a Filipino accent, and in real time changes that to an American accent. And that is the accent that gets shipped out. So yeah, I think we've been very humbled by the support we've received, and CCW has been a great event for us to meet our customers and also future customers. And I think we have a very interesting team of some of the best speech people across the planet who work for us. Most of our speech people come from Meta, Amazon, and we've built a very strong culture of our team. Interesting fact is about 90% of our team are immigrants, so they relate to accents much better than most people. And yeah, it's been an incredible opportunity to build a great product that genuinely changes human lives. And in this event, we released a product called Noise Cancellation. And when we made this announcement, this noise cancellation product is free and free for everyone and free forever. Everyone came and asked me, what's the catch? And I said, see, the challenge today is, before we announced this for free, we had a behavioral psychologist whom we worked with. The average decibel level of sound in a contact center today is about 62 decibels. If you're exposed to anything more than 50 decibels for 12 years, you actually become deaf, right? And for us, that was concerning. We work for this industry. We would be nowhere without this industry. And today we have an opportunity to give something back to this industry. So it was a very humble request from all of us that all the 16 million agents who work for a contact center today, it's almost their human right to have a noise cancellation product, because we don't want our agents, who are our biggest champions, to turn deaf. So please leverage this product. It's a good product. And again, if accent is a thing that you would want to work with us on, we have a great product, we have a great team. We're here at booth 133. And thank you so much for the opportunity.